centrali.
We are at the second level of the hotel via Gianlinka. Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're at
Villa.
the... Oh. We are at the second level of the hotel via...
Villa, baby. Villa.
I'm Mexican. Okay. We are at the second level of the villa, and this is like a quiet, relaxing level. There is a little area here where
Books.
you can just hang out, have the sea view. You can even grab a book from this little library they have here built into the wall. This is so peaceful. There's nothing going on, just relaxation. And out there you see people in their boats enjoying their day. It's very calming. If you want to just escape and go someplace charming and feel like you're almost in an old world, it doesn't feel real, this is the place to be. It feels like you're being transported to a different century. Just look at the details in the walls and the vines. It's immaculate.
When we met a year ago, I didn't know where this would go. I was full of faith, was full of hope. But then we quit, we fell apart. I lost myself, I lost my heart. There was no wrong, there was no right.
This pool. How's that pool? Is it cold, baby? Is it cold? You can't hear me. She can't hear me.
Oh,
Is it cold?
It feels so good though.
It feels
So
good.
to see that view. We are on our way to Ravello because Mikey said that I needed to go there. So I left the villa and now we are on our way to Ravello. And I am very impressed by all the drivers here because I don't know how you guys do it.
How you guys drive here? Difficult because it's the slip
Yeah.
road. Yeah. Especially to bus is very, very difficult.
Yes.
Oh yeah. And are people usually walking here too? Not too much.
Sometimes, yeah, it's possible.
Oh, there goes the
But
bus.
very, very.
Look how tight this is.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a big bus.
Africana world famous club in Praiano, Amalfi Coast, and it literally is in a rock. No one's here right now because it's a Wednesday, but Fridays and Saturdays they say they're really busy. Main attraction ready. I hope I don't drop this phone.
It's right down here. See the water.
Wow. And then the ocean is right over there. We are walking back to our villa from the Africana Club, world famous since 1962.
Yeah, good back. Yeah, 55 years.
And
55 years.
it's about a...
And the high months for Africana Club, I was told by the guy who served us drinks, the waiter, he said that it's between June to August. So it's free on Friday nights.
This is a little slice of heaven right here in Praiano. This is the beach. We're going to take a boat out along the Amalfi Coast.
I'm the only one here with the life jacket on. And I'm proud of it.
Amalfi Coast. We're not coming back, so this is where it is.
Sorry.
You can find us here somewhere among the mountains in the sea. Up from the beach, Marina de Praiano. And it is a hike up. It's about a 20-minute hike up the mountain. We made it up the top. We just came from those stairs. You go way down there. And this is probably like the third or fourth set. We got some climbing still to do. But look how picturesque everything is. This is, you know, considered a street here. It's really a walkway, but there's no cars going through a lot of places. You can tell I'm out of breath. We've been climbing uphill for what? A good 20 minutes now. But it's beautiful. I mean, the views are gorgeous along the way. We are in what's like the main square of Praiano. There's San Gennaro Church, and it was built in 1589. Still standing strong. It looks like crews are out here building what looks like a stage. I don't know if there's a concert later today, but here's the square. It's kind of at the bottom of Praiano. Like we had to come from more at the top of the mountain. Over around there. So it's about a 15-minute walk, maybe more like 20 from our place. It's quite a hike, but definitely worth seeing. It's really beautiful. And it has views all the way to the ocean. Of course, these ocean views. And you can see Positano way in the distance. It's about, I don't know, maybe 6 to 10 kilometers away.
This is our song, baby. Under a sky of stars, in Praiano with a sky full.
But the sky full of stars. Look at that.
Sky full.
And
We're
what is it
stopping
called again?
for lemon granita.
Granita di limone.
Granita di limone, okay.
Granita de limone.
Hey. Oh wow, that's good.